Today we're making focaccia bread with a garlicky herbed and pizza twist. We'll start by combining about 5 cups of bread flour with a tablespoon of salt. Then set that aside. In a large bowl or container, add active dry yeast, a teaspoon of sugar, and about 2½ cups of lukewarm water. Let that sit for 5 minutes until the yeast gets bubbly and cloudy. Mix in a tablespoon of olive oil before adding the flour mixture. Stir to combine. Drizzle on more olive oil to ensure that the dough is coated. Cover with plastic wrap or a lid. Allow the dough to rest in the refrigerator for about 24 hours. Then grease a 9 by 13 baking pan and transfer the dough onto the pan. Fold the edges of the dough towards the center. Cover with a clean kitchen towel and let rise for about 30 to 45 minutes. Then repeat by folding the edges in and letting it rise for another 30 minutes to an hour. After this second rising, we'll create dimples on the top of the dough with greased fingers. Drizzle on olive oil. Mashed a couple cloves of garlic. Spread that out a little bit. Add herb de Provence. A sprinkle of coarse sea salt and grated Parmesan. If you're making the pizza side, top with marinara, mozzarella cheese, and pepperoni. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 18 to 23 minutes or until golden brown. Let cool in the pan for a few minutes before cutting and serving. Enjoy! For this recipe and more, visit crumbs.com.